My story is that of many and is diverse as any in Miami. I was a high schooler looking for an opportunity.
Impact. Transformative power to inspire, empower, and make a meaningful difference in the world. Together, we have collectively impacted the lives of more than 2 million people at Miami Dade College who have come through our doors seeking the American dream. MDC has long served as a catalyst of opportunities for our students, and throughout the years, we've remained steadfast in our mission to change lives through the power of education. Through our collective commitment to student success and academic excellence, we've been able to establish an unparalleled institution that today more than ever is a catalyst for hope. We're a leader in driving impact within our community and beyond, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and nurturing the next generation of changemakers. It is with great pride that we reflect on the remarkable progress we've made together in reimagining student success, accelerating academic excellence and innovation, fueling the talent needs of a global economy, securing our future, and doing it all with a culture of care. Let's embrace this new academic year with enthusiasm and a renewed sense of purpose, knowing that together we can continue to change lives, transform communities, and make a lasting impact on the world.
Thanks to this place, I can safely say, I am seizing my second opportunity. You are seizing your opportunity to be here, and we are breaking the ceilings that once encaged our learning.
Join me as we stay committed to being catalyst for impact.